Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and let's start off this half-assed hog hoagie. Alright, first thing you want to do, obviously you see we've got some hoagie rolls on a baking tray, and the first thing you want to put on is some nice, lovely pepper jack cheese. And then we're going to add the salami to this. While we're doing this, you should be preheating your oven to 400 degrees because we're going to bake these motherfuckers for, a couple of minutes, 5-7 minutes, at least till the cheese gets all nice, melty, gooey, and wonderful. And you want to make sure, next thing up is Virginia ham. I know some people can use pit ham, but to me that just gets too fatty and gristly, my opinion. And last but not least, we need more cheese, because everything needs more cheese. This is just a fucking rule. And for this one, we're going to have some nice Swiss cheese, and we're going to slam this in the oven, again, about 5-7 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bread is slightly toasted. Okay, we got our sandwich out of the oven, and it's time to do it up. Want to add a generous amount of mayo to the top hoagie bun, top part. Put a little streak of Dijon mustard down. We're going to make a nice little Dijonnaise. Iceberg lettuce is the only lettuce for this. Nice little sprinkling of freshly ground black pepper. Some bread and butter pickles. And that's it. Put it on top and do a nice little cross section. And that is the half-assed hog hoagie. Absolutely delicious.